How to fix Discord bot not responding. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Discord bot not responding. Now, first thing first, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, that you have a stable internet. Open up settings on your device and just make sure to go to network and internet and make sure that you have an stable internet connections. Now here, what you can also do is you could also ensure that the bot is running. That means verify you are hosting the environment like local machines VPS or cloud server like Heroku or Replit is active and bot script is executing without crashing as well. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end, so you could check the official Discord status page to see if there are ongoing API outages as well. If you recently reset your bot's token in the Discord developer portal, you must update it in your code. The old token will no longer work. So this way you're supposed to fix Discord bot not responding. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.